Okay, here's the new place that we moved into here a couple weeks ago. Finally got pretty much everything put in. However, there's still a lot more work to be done. But for the most part, we got everything moved in over here. Let's go ahead and take a look. We completely redid this gate. Let me back up a little bit. It was just kind of a chain link gate, kind of falling apart, looked kind of rough. We went ahead and painted green and yellow, typical Philippines fashion, to match the house. And we put some spikes up on top there to give it that secure look. So anyways, and then we just left it all primer yellow on the inside, which works fine. Looks a heck of a lot better than what it was. Like I said, it was just chain link in this area here. We pulled all the chain, actually the whole thing was chain link, and we pulled all that out and then put paneling on the bottom and round bar welded in there. So yeah, there's the gate. Mom hung a bunch of plants, placed a bunch of plants. We had to bring all these over from the other house. That was pretty fun. I got the guava tree right here. We trimmed up that a little bit to just kind of sort of clean it up, I guess. Probably some branches that could be cut up there where the wires are kind of bumping into them. And the tricycle's all covered up. It's been raining like hell here this past week, almost daily. Every day it's been raining, so it looks kind of dreary in here right now. With you can see the algae all over. I'm gonna go ahead and put some baking soda down in here and try to kill that off. But one thing at a time. But anyways, here's the Kubo. We got that pretty much right away. It's something we wanted for a long time. Actually, I haven't even opened it up yet really to start using it. I've been just enjoying the newness of it. So but once the rain stops, once it subsides, we'll open it up and come out here and sit. Yeah, there's still quite a bit of cleaning we need to do here, but it looks a heck of a lot better than what it was before. So there's inside the Kubo. This Kubo ran its 28,000, and it is a 6x8 Buhay Kubo. Sound like a Buhay Kubo. And they came out here and built it for us. They, instead of building it on their premises, they two guys came out here and they built it right here. So kind of go around here, and there's the neighbor's unit. It's a duplex, so we pretty much each have the same style unit, just a flipped version, I guess you could say. So the Kubo. Kind of give another look over on this side here. Yeah, she's a beauty. I really like this. Of course, I haven't even really given it much thought yet, but when the day comes where we eventually have to move, then we're gonna have to figure out what to do with this thing. Take it apart, move it to our next location is what I'm thinking right now, but we'll worry about that when we get there. Lots of plants. The air conditioner that we brought over from the other place, there was about, I don't know, 4 or 5 guys that took it out of our old place and put it in here. That ran us about 6,000 pesos. That wasn't something I was overly excited to have to pay, but oh well, we did it. A bunch of buckets out here to catch the water, the rainwater, so we can use that to water the plants and wash off the driveway out here. So there you have it. Oh, CCTV camera. Got those all set up. Take a quick look inside here. Now what's interesting here is that this is just basically a garage. Right here, we put all this in. The gate, I don't know what you want to call it, the single gate, the pedestrian gate, whatever. And then that's our entrance going in. And then over here, this was all open to park, you know, for people to park like their vehicles in, or their tricycle or their scooters or whatnot, you know, what have you. We decided we're just gonna, because the living space inside is kind of limited and I have a lot of stuff, so we gotta turn this into outdoor living space, outdoor covered living space, if you want to call it that. So, and then we just parked the tricycle out here, covered up, what have you. So it turned out really cool. So what we did is we went ahead and tiled all this whole section coming in, and also put the roofing up with the gutters to catch the rain, just, you know, catch the rain and then drain it out. So we put the ceiling up there, or the roof, just galvanized steel, whatever. Did all this. So here's the entrance coming in. Whereas this was all outside before. We enclosed it. So all up in there. And then back in here, let me turn this fan off. This was all open back in here. And then we went ahead and put paneling up through here. We kind of transformed this area into a dirty kitchen / laundry room. So got our washer over there. And we put a gate up back in here to totally enclose this area. So we gated in this little, it's just a little walkway that goes behind the house. So we put that gate in with steel, round bar steel. And then we screened out here. That's all square aluminum hollow tubing back in there. Stainless panel for the grease that splatters from there up to there, so we can wipe that off nice and easily. The cast iron rack, all this cast iron, pretty much most of it, I'd say about 95% of it I brought over from the United States in Balik Beyond boxes. I just packed them all in there and sent them out. I was not going to get rid of my cast iron before coming over here. I wasn't going to part with that at all. Right, so more CCTV camera stuff up there. Put in some fluorescent light bulbs up there. Once again, this is all new ceiling. Well, this ceiling portion was here before this galvanized steel. We just extended it over to go all the way over to the wall, and then carried it all the way down that way to the front gate. We put in the front gate, and we put in this, which looks to be a gate, but it's just a wall paneling, and then bars, square hollow tubing bars there. Screened it in, and yeah, it's working out great. We spent all our time out here. Yeah, we got enough space, ample space inside the house, where we still have a couch and recliner, love seat type thing, kitchen table, all that. But never did I think we were going to spend all our damn time out here, but we do. So this is where we got all our bamboo furniture. We sit out here on the computers. Mom sits out here on her cell phone, and I had an extra 32-inch flat screen Samsung TV that I just went ahead and hung up there with the DVD player, and then we have the little smart stick to run our streamed movies from Amazon. So yeah, we sit out here. It's really comfortable. Got the ceiling fan up there. We even put the refrigerator out here. Got the refrigerator out here. Small table, a couple of them. Dog. Two bamboo benches, a couple bamboo chairs, bamboo table and table back there. Yeah, so basically we transformed a garage area, or what the Filipinos consider a garage. This would be kind of more or less a porch by American standards. But we took this somewhat large area out here and turned it into an indoor slash whatever you want to call it, indoor outdoor living space. But you could sleep out here. You could eat your dinner out here. We do pretty much everything out here. Haven't slept out here yet, but everything else is for sure a thing that we do. So anyways, I'm just kind of rambling here. But it turned out, ooh, mosquito. That's another thing. You gotta still fight mosquitoes no matter what. So anyways, this is what we got. Oh, look at that. A gecko just flopped down on the ground. He just fell from the ceiling. Look at that little guy. We leave them alone. He does good things around here, so we leave him alone. So, anyways, that's it. Maybe next I'll go inside after we get things a little bit more straightened out in there. I don't want to show the world. Okay, we can take a quick peek. It's not super huge. It's pretty small. Hence the reason we made this space out here. So, this is all new tiling. New sink. Painted up these cabinets. Just kind of did a battleship gray type color. Put in some new knobs. All this stuff was fairly cheap. It was worth putting in. So, give you an idea what things kind of look like. Kitchen table, yeah. This we don't even spend any time in here, to be honest with you. We there's the bathroom back in there. We take our showers. We sleep in there in our bedroom at night. There's the spare room slash instrument music guitar room. But yeah, about the only thing we do in here is sleep and use the bathroom, and that's about it. Other than that, first thing in the morning, I'm out here drinking coffee and going online, checking emails and doing whatever. That's where we spend the bulk of our time, is out here. And it's great. Love it. So anyways, that's about it, guys. Thanks for coming along on this little domestic journey. And it's been a while. I don't usually, we've been so busy, I don't usually do videos when we're as busy as we have been. Yeah, next, after the rain subsides, we're going to get out here and clean up, because it's looking pretty greedy out here. So, okay guys, enough of that, and tell you what, we're going to enjoy the rest of the evening, and I hope everybody else does the same, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.